Women. In fact, women started to participate in modern Olympic Games from 1900 onwards. In Paris Olympic 1980, only 22 women participated in two sports events. In 1904 Olympic Games, only 6 women participated in 3 events. With the passage of time, that is, number of women participating persistently increased. And as a matter of fact, in Sydney Olympics, the number of women participants increased up to 4,069. In 2008 Olympic Games, which were held in Beijing, 4,637 women participated. In 2012 London Olympics, 4,862 women participated in various sports events. First time women boxing was included in the Olympic program. Over the past several decades, the participation of women in sport field has increased tremendously. The role of women in modern society has expected and changed up to some extent. However, stereotypes do still exist, especially in sports field. Recent results suggest that female athletes competing in sport views as masculine were rated as less likable than those competing in feminine sports. Indeed, sport is traditionally considered a masculine activity. When women enter the male domain of sport, tension rises. This can be seen in the media discourse of women's sport. Even media reflect the sport as main ideology of covering male sport event much more than women's sports event. Women still face challenges in funding and facilities. Furthermore, the participation level of the female in sport compared to men indicate that women still feel the pressure of occupy the traditional ideology that surrounds the women in sports. It is really disgusting to know how that in some societies of world people do not encourage women to participate in sports. Rather, they ban it or make it illegal for them to join sports. Even if women do engage in sport activities, many societies obstruct them. In the Middle East, many women are not allowed to play sports, especially in Saudi Arabia, when women have been banned from playing sports. Really, it is a matter of regret for all of us to know that sport is such a field where gender inequality is strongly evident. As a matter of fact, this problem is more socio-psychological than anything else. It is a matter of regret or pity that men and women considered so differently, especially in the field of sports. It is usually observed that women are not provided equal opportunities in comparison to their male counterparts. In fact, men are still considered the better. Most probably, there is a discrimination between men and women in the field of sports. Indeed, our social environment not only makes it easier for men to participate in sports, but also makes it harder for women to do so. General social development has not only inhibited women from participating in sports, but has also ostracized them when they did participate. This difference can be seen in the facility and program which are given to females in schools and colleges in comparison to males. About participation of women in sport, Hart mentioned that in his book, a comment from an Australian racing driver about a lady driver of Holland, why don't they stay in the kitchen where they belong? Though the time is changing very fast and situations are improving, a number of sportswomen have been defying the odds, that is, social and psychological hurdles related to participation of women in sports. But there is still a lot to be achieved. No doubt, the number of participation of women in sports is having an increasing trend year by year, but it is lesser in comparison to men. There may be a number of reasons for lesser participation of women in sport. In fact, women will have to defy all the social hurdles with their Herculean effort to enhance their participation in sports. Persistent effort will have to be done, and only after that the ideology of people regarding women's participation can